So today we're gonna be exploring Laity South Pumpkin Patch. A little backstory for you guys. Me and my brother decided to do this because we're Africans and growing up we never really got to explore or partake in Halloween because it's not our culture and we don't really celebrate Halloween in Africa, and also we are trying to become Canadians. So just like they say, when you go to Rome you behave like the Romans. We decided that the quickest way that we would initiate ourselves into becoming Canadian would be to try out Halloween activities. Go. If you are in a hurry, feel free to skip through using the time cards, but I recommend you watch everything. Thank you. For my fellow international people coming from Vancouver, while you're secretly praying that it doesn't rain, catch any train to Commercial Broadway, catch the Lafarge train, get off at Coquitlam Center for a free concert performance by Spider Bro. After that, get on the R3 bus to Maple Ridge, get off at Laity Street, and walk down the same street. The people on this street sure know how to get in spooky mood. They cooked as I went past Let Him Cook Street. After 20 minutes of taking in the beauties of Laity Street, we finally arrived at the patch, paid, and went in. We decided to start with the games, but there was a catch I didn't tell my brother about. So we're gonna be trying out the games first. And there's a twist. I didn't tell him about this in the beginning, but the loser has to refund the other person the money for the adventure. So we paid to get in here, so the loser has to pay back the other person.
Okay guys, let's start with the first game.
Yep.
I hope you're ready.
And we don't know the name of the game, but we're gonna play it.
Exactly, let's go.
Okay.
Once, right?
First to three.
First to three, okay.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
We started each game with a round of rock, paper, scissors. First to three.
Okay, cheers.
I'm gonna be orange.
Okay, let's go.
So I guess I put first and then you put.
Yeah, you put first.
Okay.
Because you won.
Okay. So does it go diagonally?
Yeah, you can do diagonal as well.
I started off strong by winning game one.
I didn't see that. Okay.
First to finish.
The first to finish?
Yeah. We can scatter the puzzle.
Okay, let's do the first to finish. It's already recording.
3, 2,
2, 1, go.
He decided to obliterate me in the second game of puzzle. Get this one goes there. And in the words of Michael Jordan, I took that personally.
I roast you, man.
Okay, fair game. 1-1.
1-1.
Very nice.
Pumpkin chess, maybe?
Okay.
It's gonna be long.
I think it's checkers.
Checkers? I don't know that game.
We proceeded to make up our own rules and play checkers,
Diagonally,
which I won, although the game didn't make sense and hence why I didn't show it.
I know there's a game called Draft that we used to play.
Yeah.
Which is similar to that. I don't know if Draft is checkers or...
I don't know, man.
Should we play or...?
Yeah, we can try. Let's see.
Game 4, Tic Tac Toe. After 3 rounds of draws,
I will start
you can
there.
guess who came out on top with some out-of-the-box thinking.
The center is yours.
Of course I won.
Okay, 3-1, right?
Yeah.
Shit.
Just pick any one. Damn, you like risk, eh?
Of course, man. Otherwise, it's gonna be so long.
He decided to bait me by taking huge risks in Jenga.
Ooh.
And I took the bait and lost.
Please! No!
I win, man.
Wait. If I make it,
Hey, do you have the right to do that? I don't know. This guy. It's too late, man.
Again and for real this time, I took that personally. I made sure he didn't see another win. Total annihilation. Pull ball, straight
hard.
victory.
it's all about aim, right?
Okay.
You go first. Yeah, I'll just.
Oh, so I go first. Oh, it's one each.
Yeah, you go, I go, like that.
You record right now?
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, here, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Oof, close.
I suddenly became hitman at cornhole.
This guy.
Ain't no misses around here, and that's why I'm single. Get it?
Why am I playing with you? But I guess you won because you put.
Yeah, you threw 3, so I'll just throw one last.
Okay. But you won anyway.
Yeah.
5-2. Man, why I'm playing with you? Damn it. I'm going first.
Okay.
Bowling? I'll let you see for yourself.
Ah! It's gonna be hard, that one.
Ah,
Fair. It's the hardest.
nice.
So,
6 tries.
6, yeah, 6.
Ah!
This guy. Why I play against you, man? Why am I playing against him? It's crazy.
We decided to quit the game area after we both fired blanks at the catapult
Ah.
range.
Sorry.
Come on. Yeah, so we finished the games
Yeah.
and I won. 5-2.
I let him win, that's why, you know. He's younger than me, so I'm like, okay.
Old farmer McDonalds showed us how to shoot properly though at the pumpkin blaster.
Whoa, it's crazy, man. So fast.
Got me wondering if he's American.
Go. Okay. And then the race mates.
We proceeded to challenge the maze where I graciously lost because I was trying to be nice.
I'm sure it's raining, guys. I think I got lost. It's not here yet, so I guess I won. Yeah. Let's wait for the loser of the day.
It's a short maze. Tada!
Hey,
What
loser.
the fuck? How?
Just faster than you, man.
We explored other mazes and got locked by the sheriff in the Wild West. At least we had souvenirs. We stopped at the petting zoo to see Messi and CR7. Oops, I meant the goats. some pigs, and Vinicius, oops, I meant the peacock, and then proceeded to leave before the rain came. By the way, they have a pumpkin patch north, but not enough time to go there as we both had other appointments for the rest of the day. Maybe we'll return in the future. What do you think of our experience here? Like, how would you rate the pumpkin patch from 1 to 10? Rate the pumpkin patch.
I will say a solid 6 because like we have so much fun with the games, so I didn't even see the time flying, you know?
Yeah.
But it's not as big, you know? There's not a lot of things when you look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I will agree. I'll give it a little more, 7. But like I said, like you go through it quickly if you're an adult, because it's like there's not. If you're a kid, maybe you will enjoy it way more.
Yeah.
But either way, we still had fun because it's our first time doing such an activity. Even though, yeah, it's our first time doing such activity, and there's not many people like us
True.
that look like us there.
Yeah, it was my first time.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it to your friends so that they can see what you enjoyed. Comment what ideas you want us to make next or what places you want us to explore as Black or African people. And subscribe to this channel, and I'll put his in the description later for whenever he makes his channel. And so you can subscribe to him too. Enjoy and peace.
Peace, guys.